Hello everyone. Today I am guiding you a blue Christmas nail art design step by step guide. Number 1 design is magnetic blue Christmas nails. If you want to take your blue glitter mani a step further, use our concert cat eye polish for a shimmering effect, adding a line across the nail in gold for striking contrast. This type of nail art design is very popular right now and it's really easy to do. Simply use the magnetic polish and before you curve hover over a magnetic create a line. Finish off your nails with a clear top coat to help protect your design and make it last longer. And that's it. Beautiful blue glitter nails that are perfect for the festive season. Product needed to create this look: Miley Cancer gel polish, Miley magnet dough, Miley no wipe top coat. Let's move to design number 2, blue foiled nails. For those who like to have a foiled shiny finish, why not try to blue foiled effect? Create this design. Prep your nails as usual with a base coat. Apply your gel polish base. Here we have used a sheer jelly blue shade called Blue Lagoon. Once that is curved, apply a layer of Miley foil gel and curve. Then prepare your blue foil and lightly tap the foil onto the nail blue side up, pull away to create a distressed look. This design isn't meant to be perfect, and tapping the blue foil will give distress and edgy look. Once you are happy with the color, finish off with a clear top coat. Product needed: Miley Blue Lagoon gel polish, Miley foil gel, Miley absorbed foil as well in this design. If you like the blue color and blue design, please like, subscribe and comment below in this video and share with the family and friends in this Christmas festive. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.